We're gonna make bubble bath. It's bubble bath. That's bath bombs. Okay, let's see what we need. Let's open it. See what we need. Two already. Now we need two spoons. This is better than
Yeah.
2 spoons? A little bit. Mix it. You mix it, mix it, mix it. You mix it. Mix it all together. Bath bombs. Now, what color is this one?
Pink.
It's pink color. Put it all in there. Put it in there. Wow. Wow, good job. Now you mix it. You mix it with your hands. Oh no, mix it with the spoon. This one. It's pink color. Wow. Pink color. Okay, now we're gonna mix it with our hands. Put the spoon down. Now work with your hands. Wow. Mix it. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. No, keep mixing it more. A little bit more. A little bit more. You don't eat it. No, you don't eat it. Break it up, break it up. Mix it with your hands.
Wow.
Mix it with that white hand. this? Pink color. A little bit more water. And now mix it with your wet hand. Good job.
Slime.
It's not slime. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Keep mixing it.
Papi, make it bubble bath.
Yeah, I will make it bubble bath.
Bubble bath.
A little bit more water, baby. A little bit more water.
Papi.
You can put it right here. Put on the slime. Mix it together. Mix it together. Mix it together.
Wow. Wow. Look at my hand. Yeah, but you did. What's so sweet is this? Wow. That's awesome.
That's awesome, yeah.
That is called pink.
It's called pink color.
What do you have?
Uh-oh. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue color. Only add a little bit. A little bit. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Now you mix it together.
Blue.
Wow. Oh, it's gonna make a purple color.
What is this?
Yeah, it's gonna make it purple. Wow. Look. Things gonna
Look,
make
it's
purple.
messy. It's messy.
Yeah. Where's blue? I don't know. It turned into purple. Uh-oh.
Hey, look at the smile. But to stop.
What? No, don't eat it. Okay. Throw that one up. What color is this? No, this is pink color. This one's way better. You pat it on there like Sophia. Waiting, 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 waiting. Okay, this one's done. Yeah, I could help you. Any help? Let me see how I'll fix it for you. Let me see. Put it on there. Keep it. A little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Cut it. Okay, now we're gonna have to wait 1 minute. How many minutes? 1 minute. Ready, set, go. Put it in there. Oh. Put it back in the water. What color is that one?
Pink.
Pink color.
It's cold. It's out. It's out.